Let's try an exercise that's going to help us turn these buzz strokes into a buzz roll. What we're going to do is play 8/8 notes on our right hand and then 8/8 notes on our left hand. After that, we're going to play 2 measures of 16th notes. First, I'm going to show you the exercise without any buzzes. 1, 2, ready, play. Now, we're going to play the same exercise, but we're going to apply the buzz strokes to that. 1, 2, ready, play. Now that we've practiced it at a slower tempo, we're going to bump up the tempo a little bit, and you're going to notice the 16th notes are going to sound a bit more connected. 1, 2, ready, play. So now we're going to increase the tempo up to 120 beats per minute, and you're really going to notice how the 16th notes are going to sound way more connected than the past few times I've played it. 1, 2, ready, play. Once you get the hang of this exercise, it's a good idea to begin playing it on a loop. So now we're going to try it twice in a row. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, play.